Let's have a look at the teleportation between these two fighters. And of course, the huge reach advantage goes to Sıйmık, and also almost 10 centimeters taller for the much younger fighter. At 9 years, the senior is Lucas Liu.
本场 JCK MMA Fight Night 男子68公斤级的协议体重之战，栏目选手身高183公分，臂展184厘米，体重67.50公斤，年龄22岁，来自于皓月搏击俱乐部。MMA 综合格斗战绩12战9胜3负 ，JCK 战局成战绩8战6胜2负，他就是野豹四野木克。选手身高174公分，臂展176厘米，体重68公斤，年龄31岁，来自于新疆国际搏击俱乐部。MMA 综合格斗战绩18战10胜7负1平 ，JCK 战局成战绩5战2胜2负1平，他就是移山行者绿的泰人。
Озгүз сайма менен интернеттин ылдамдыгы секундасына 300, ал тургай 500 мегабитке чейин. Күчтүү деп ушуну айтсак болот. Үйдөгү телекөрсөтүү бардык манайга ылайыктуу 220дан ашуун телеканал.
Нифига себе!
5 онлайн кинотеатр. Тасмаларды, сериалдар менен мультфильмдерди көрөбүз. Wi-Fi роутерди акысыз алабыз. Айына болгону 1080 сомдон баштап. Кошууга жетишебиз. Сайма күйгүзөбүз.
Man, Thomas Van.
Thomas Van.
Overseeing the action. One of the best refs in the game. Old school BJ black belt from Hong Kong. Good friend of ours as well. Shout out to the man, Thomas Van. Guys, this is going to be a great fight. I can't wait. You know, the guy has got a ton of fans.
Even some of the staff here next to us. Our sound man sitting next to us.
Sıйmık in the blue takes on Lucas Lukai in the red. It's going to be a great fight, guys.
Lukai immediately walking forward. I think Lukai will try to use his pressure and even his wrestling.
The size difference doesn't look as pronounced as I thought it might be.
Lukai walks around at 82, 84 sometimes.
My goodness.
Yeah, he gets
big old.
Whoa! Goes for a huge kick for the head.
Goes for it right away. They're throwing down. It's a tough one because Lukai has a very, high profile on social media, and he's very, how would you say, outspoken. And he has been very critical of people missing weight in the past.
And then
when he missed weight, he got a ton of flack in the comments,
Both him and his
that's how it goes on social media. If you're going to be outspoken, one day if you slip up a little bit, everybody's going to be on you. And that just is what it is. But hey, it promotes discussion, and it makes him a bigger personality and more famous. You got people talking about you. He's got like 110,000 followers.
Look at the pressure that he's putting on Sıйmık.
Oh, nice. Big right hand there. He's got big power in his hands.
Oh, Sıйmık gives him one back. Sıйmık going for the uppercut. Lukai saw that one. Sıйmık now going to the head with a kick.
Lukai is such an intense fighter, but he's so nice outside the cage. Nice body kick.
Beautiful body kick. Lukai now
takes him down. Sıйmık was thinking guillotine there for a second. It's the full guard of Sıйmık is Lukai. Looking for a Gogo Plata.
No way.
Oh man, if he pulls that off, that would be ridiculous.
The toes are not in the right place. He needs to grab hold.
It is a very rare submission.
Yeah, look, Lukai knows. Lukai's already got the toes off just on one side.
Oh my goodness.
But he might turn this into an omoplata if he...
Have we ever seen a Gogo Plata in JCK? I don't know.
No, but he needs to get his own toe. Look at Lukai's got the toes pushed away. See?
I think he's out of danger now because he's got the knee stepping over. That is just like one of the most ridiculous submissions that you'll ever see in MMA.
Now he's going back to it, but Sıйmık needs to grab his own toe to make this work.
This guy's too tough. It's like, I don't think he would tap from this unless it was fully on.
I think he'll go to sleep, but he won't go to sleep because look, the left side of his...
It's not tight enough to put it on.
Yeah, no, there's not pressure on the one side of his neck. With a one-sided.
Didn't you like tear a ligament in your knee trying to go to plata?
Well, from full mount, it's called an Akio Plata, but yeah, I did. So this one gives me a little bit of PTSD, huh?
Leave that one for the young guys, you know.
Yep.
22 years old, your ligaments
with nice and, not brittle ligaments. Steps over the half guard.
Kai clears the threat of that funky submission, and now he's on top.
Short little
Trying to do some damage.
1 minute and 45 seconds left.
Somebody's cut.
Lukai cut.
Oh my goodness, from an elbow from the bottom?
Maybe, I don't know, but that's a lot of blood.
I didn't see what happened. Like,
look at that, that's a lot of blood pouring out of the head. I think it's in the hairline of Lukai, is it?
It must have been from a sneaky little elbow from the bottom. He's going, okay, case of Gatami.
He went for this before.
Yeah. And he said, he didn't want to go for a submission against Turpal Kadia because he wanted to control it.
Give his
Oh my
back
goodness. Slimuko sneaks out the back door and now has the back.
We saw Seimuka got out-wrestled, then moved his training overseas and worked on his wrestling. We've seen significant improvements in his wrestling, which we're seeing now. Lukai.
Nice left hand by Slimuko.
Again,
Coming forward, rocks him, puts him down.
Drops him with a big left hand, but look
Huge
at
moment.
Lukai.
Lukai takes him down.
Oh, but Lukai drops one on his head.
Crazy moment at the end of the first round here.
40 seconds left.
There is a neck crank here. Yeah, there's a move called 100%. I don't think, he didn't quite have it there. Incredible recovery by Lukai after getting rocked. Takes his man down immediately.
Man,
Never a dull fight from Lucas Lee.
Absolutely.
Never a dull fight.
And look, he got dropped and immediately bounced back up. He's so fit and athletic, man. This guy never comes in out of shape. Even if it's tight, he just fights through it. He's the kind of guy that either gets carried, he gets
huge
big elbows. He's angry. He wants to cut him back. He might go for that hip throw.
Awesome. We knew this fight was going to be fireworks, and it's living up to it. It's living up to it. It's probably going to be a wild second round.
Fight!
Slimuka in the blue, Lucas Lukai in the red. Got to watch out for that piston of a left hand by Slimuka.
Slimuka's punch is so powerful. Look, Lukai immediately looking for the wrestling. Slimuka not having any of it.
Yeah, Lukai seems like he really wants to take the fight to the ground.
Short little uppercut there from Lukai on the exit. Oh!
He tried to time that shot with a kick, and now Lukai is on top in side control.
Yes, this is bad for Seimuka. Man, but Seimuka's showing some sneaky attacks off his back.
When are we going to see the first buggy choke
yes.
in JCK? I was wondering that.
And he has the right body type for it.
Yep.
Lukai goes to the back.
Nimbly swings around to the back of Seimuka.
Nice control here from Lukai. Lukai's going to try to reap those legs. Yep, there he goes, steps over. He's going to be able to lock those legs between. He's on the hips of Seimuka, pulls him off the cage wall again. And moves more to the back.
Nice shots here landing by Lukai.
Beautiful chain wrestling here from Lukai. You have a really good wrestling coach there at Sun King. The coach name is Aili. He stopped wrestling for 5 years, coached MMA wrestling, then goes back on holiday in Dagestan and wins the Dagestan Wrestling Open.
No way.
That's insane, man.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. He was out of the pro wrestling, he was just coaching MMA wrestling, and then still steps in and wins.
That judo.
He loves that scarf hold, but he's going to get his back taken again. I don't know why he believes in this.
Wow. That was a really fast spin to regain control on top.
It's not the first time that Lukai goes for that scarf hold, but I don't understand.
That judo background.
Yeah, but it doesn't work. Seimuka almost getting up there. I'm surprised Lukai isn't really trying to get the hooks in and go for the back.
Maybe he prefers turtle for ground and pound.
Ground and pound, yes. Well, he's getting a lot of right time here.
Yeah, he's clearly in control of this round. He came out with a new strategy of trying to get the fight to the ground as soon as possible.
Seimuka digs up,
and it has been it's proven to be successful because he's had a lot of ground control. Ground and pound, nice trip.
Little trip.
That judo background.
And he's already other side in the half guard with a far side underhook. Like these like a lot of good things here from Lukai. And Sыймык also admit this kid is tough as nails, 22 years old, but so scrappy and tricky. He's constantly threatening. Big elbow. Eats the elbow, but immediately comes up.
Elbow. Spins around to the back again. Wow, he's just getting bullied in there.
With the chain wrestling, but Sыймыk is not out of it, man. He's just
mounted against the fence.
Oh, this is bad for Sыйmık. Now Lukai letting his hands go.
This could be it.
Getting a warning from the referee.
I feel like
nice punches from Lukai.
Lucas really pours it on here. Oh, can he take it back down? Sыйmık rallying now. Oh, he's coming back.
Punch.
Wow, nice shot.
Underneath, but Sыйmık is wise to it. He might be going for, he's going for a guillotine here.
Oh man, standing
guillotine.
choke. He's got the choke. Can he finish it? This is crazy. Can he finish the choke here? He counts.
Oh my God,
wow.
he submits.
Unbelievable.
Lukai.
Unbelievable. Oh my goodness.
Sыйmık, the young kid, 22 years old. He weathers the storm.
Wow,
and
what
he
a finish.
submits. Really, who must have been the favorite, Lukai.
What a finish. Out of nowhere.
22-year-old, he just snaps it on. Standing, and then as they roll, he takes the back and squeezes the choke out of Lukai.
Oh, man.
Sıйmık. Let's have a look at that. There, he's standing, he just slaps it on. A little bit like Shavkat Romanov, and then here, as they fall, he gets one hook in.
That's a done deal. I mean, it's a really tight choke, and
I don't know why Lukai doesn't try to peel the hands, but lessons learned, I guess. Both these guys are so exhausted as well. Both of them couldn't make weight. Both of them put everything they did, could.
美综合格斗规则，男子68公斤级协议体重之战的最终结果为蓝帮选手野豹Sыйmık脱河达红。第二回合3分45秒，使用背后裸脚降服获胜。The winner is blue corner, win by rear naked choke.